Hello, welcome Cheese Family. My name is Tiana.
And my name is Angelia.
And today we're making hamburgers. I'm making 4 bacon cheeseburgers for my brother and my family, and 2 regular burgers for my family as well. You will need 6 slices of cheese, 6 100% ground beef patties, 6 hamburger buns, 5 slices of bacon, and we cut those in half, 1 pickle, and we sliced it, a quarter onion, we also sliced that, 2 Romaine tomatoes, we sliced that as well, and 5 stems of lettuce. Well, and then we're gonna add some of these in our burgers after we're done cooking them. But you can add anything to your burgers with the sauces if you like those sauces in your burgers. We like these. Let's go cook. So we're not gonna bake it, we're gonna fry it, and you don't have to put the oil on the pan because the oil is gonna come out of the patties. See you when we're done. So we're covering it with a lid so the oil won't splash on us. With the oil on the meat, we're going to put it in a bowl and we're going to put it on the bread so it could be a little crispier. This is what it looks like when you put it. It's going to be a little crunchy. That's how we like it. The reason why we're putting the patties back is because we're going to put the cheese on the patties.
So you will put the cheese on the patty.
So now we're putting on the mayo. You can use these whenever you're ready to eat your burger. Make sure you don't put too much mayo. But if you like a lot of mayo, it's fine, but we don't like a lot of mayo. And now we put 1 piece of lettuce and then the patty with the cheese and the bacon. 3 I don't want onion, but I made this one for my dad. So now I'm putting and Julia loves pickles on her hamburgers. And the tomato, and then top. Voila! Hamburger. This is the final result, and then we're gonna make another one. And now I'm making the one that has no bacon. Put the mayo on top, on both buns. Buns are really hot. The bottom part, lettuce, add lettuce, the patty with the cheese, pickles, tomato, and I don't want onions in mine, so we're not putting onions in that. Now we're done making 6 hamburgers. Now we're adding all the ketchup. You want ketchup? Oh, I have some. Time taste test. We have our drinks with us as well. Please like and subscribe and click the notification bell. And we'll see you next time. Give us a big thumbs up. Bye. And we sliced the pickle, a quarter onion, and we sliced the onion, 2 romaine tomatoes, and we sliced the tomatoes, 5 stem of lettuce.